Digestion questions. 1. Volume of saliva secreted by humans per day. A. 100 milliliters to 150 milliliters. B. 1.5 liters to 2 liters. C. 10 milliliters to 50 milliliters. D. 300 milliliters to 400 milliliters. 2. The type of dentition where teeth are consolidated with the summit of the alveolar ridge of the jaw, without sockets, is called A. Thecodont. B. Acrodont. C. Lophodont. D. Heterodont. 3. Enamel is secreted by A. Odontoblasts. B. Meloblasts. C. Osteoblasts. D. Chondroblasts. 4. Stenson's ducts carry saliva from which salivary glands? A. Infraorbital. B. Parotid. C. Sublingual. D. Submaxillary. 5. Dentition of most of the mammals is A. Heterodont. B. Diphyodont. C. Thecodont. D. All of the above. 6. Essentially the work digestion means A. Breaking food for energy. B. Building of proteins. C. Changing organic molecules. D. Breaking complex organic molecules into smaller ones. 7. These glands have duct of Rivinus, A. Parotid. B. Submandibular. C. Gastric. D. Sublingual. 8. Which of these papillae are present at the back of the tongue? A. Foliate. B. Fungiform. C. Circumvallate. D. Filiform. 9. Transverse ridges and hard palate of buccal cavity are called A. Lingual frenulum. B. Uvula. C. Ruggie. D. Valvulae connivance. 10. Gastric pits have A. Parietal cells. B. Peyer's patches. C. Brunner's glands. D. All of the above. Dear students, did you like the content? If so, please press the like button for this individual video and subscribe to our channel. This will motivate us more and more to post quality content. Now the answers. Answer to 1 is B. Answer to 2 is B. Answer to 3 is B. Answer to 4 is B. Answer to 5 is D. Answer to 6 is D. Answer to 7 is D. Answer to 8 is C. Answer to 9 is C. Answer to 10 is A. Dear students, if you have any doubt regarding any question, please post your concern in the comment box. We shall be happy to explain and clear your doubts. Thank you. Meet you again soon. Doubts.